Yo, what is going on, everyone? It is Scoutju here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, especially for those of you interested in the stock market and day trading. Today I will be sharing the top 5 trading strategy for beginners. So if you're ready to learn on how to navigate the markets like a pro, let's dive right in. Segment number 1 will be to educate yourself. Before you jump into trading, it's crucial to start with a solid foundation. Educate yourself about the stock market, technical analysis, and different trading strategies. Understand key financial terms, indicators, and chart patterns that will be your building blocks to success. So take the time to learn and never stop improving your knowledge. Segment number 2 will be start small and set limits. Remember, day trading comes with risk. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Start with a small capital you are comfortable with. It's essential to set daily and weekly loss limits. This way you can protect yourself from significant losses that could harm your financial stability. Trading should be exciting, not stressful, and these limits will help you maintain control. I am sorry, cannot speak right now. Segment number 3 will be using a trading plan. To stay on track and make informed decisions, create a trading plan. Outline your strategies and rules for entering and exiting trades. Factor in risk management techniques like using stop loss orders. A trading plan will keep you focused and disciplined, preventing you from making impulsive moves based on your emotions. Segment number 4 will be focus on liquid stocks. Trading in liquid stocks is a smart move for beginners. Liquid stocks have high trading volumes and are easier to buy and sell. This liquidity ensures that you can execute your trades at the desired price without significant delays. It also helps reduce the risk of getting caught in liquid positions. Segment number 5 will be practice with a demo account. Practice makes perfect, especially in day trading. Do not rush to use real money right away. Instead, start with a demo account. Many brokerage platforms offer demo accounts where you can trade with virtual money. Use this opportunity to hone your skills, gain confidence, and get familiar with the trading platform. And that wraps up the top 5 day trading strategies for beginners. Remember, day trading is a skill that requires continuous learning and practice. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and don't let your emotions control your decisions. It's an exciting journey and you'll improve with time and dedication. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends who are interested in learning day trading. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.